Hey guys, we received these 5 stars United ring sizers for test and try. So this is actually used. So if you have a ring and it's loose on your finger, you can use this size adjuster on the ring so that it will fit on your finger. So let me just open up this and see. So there is a 8 pack easy clip ring size adjuster to 1 to 10 mm band width, and then also can be used for different sizes. So you can see like this holes on the side, so you can fit in your ring and see what is the size, like 8 mm or 1 mm or all other things. And then you can have this ring adjuster clips, is a plastic silicone clips that you can use on this ring to to adjust the size. So this also come with this microfiber so that you can just clean up your ring. So say that this is very loose on my thumb and I'm just using this uh, you know the adjuster and just put on the clip on it. So once it's clipped on it, so you can use one or two whatever like you want to. And so once it's clipped on the top and the silicone thing, then you can just put it on your finger. So I'm just putting two just to show in the sizes, and you can see like it hold this ring well now from the sides. And now in my finger it's not that loose, or then if it is loose you can choose another size, this one. So that's why I'm just using two in it so that I can easily wear it. So it based like it can adjust your ring size a little bit, but then you can use two of them. That's how I am using it, just to make it more thing. So see, now it is more fit and not coming out of my thumb. So this is soft, comfortable, is not pinching my thumb, and this holds well. So basically a nice ring size adjuster, and now this ring is not coming out of my thumb. So this is a good stuff.